Have you ever thought that maybe your metabolism isn't slow? It's just exhausted from trying to protect you? That's right. While you're blaming yourself for a lack of willpower, your body is just trying to survive in a rhythm no one ever taught you to respect. The truth is, there's a simple, natural, and powerful ingredient that can flip this switch. And the best part? You can start today. No extreme diet, no hardcore workout. Most women don't even realize this. They spend years trying everything: fasting, thermogenics, HIIT, trendy diets, and nothing works. You know why? Because they're trying to force a system that's locked down behind the scenes. But today, you're going to learn what actually activates the female metabolism. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll show you how to make it part of your life with ease, joy, and real results. Why your metabolism is slower than it should be, and nobody told you. You might be doing everything right, cutting sugar, moving more, even experimenting with fasting. And still the scale doesn't budge. That doesn't mean you're failing. So many women face this same cycle because the female metabolism is sensitive to things no one talks about. Chronic stress, poor sleep, restrictive diets, they all slow you down. Your body goes into energy-saving mode, and fat burning comes to a halt. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which blocks your ability to lose fat. Poor sleep sends your hormones into chaos, leading to weight gain and cravings. And those restrictive diets, they tell your body, we're in danger, store everything. That's how you end up with symptoms of a slow metabolism, like fatigue, bloating, and even hair loss. You think you're getting lighter, but you're just losing your health. Most women don't understand why their healthy routine isn't working, but it makes sense once you realize your body is just trying to survive. You can't fix this with another detox tea or HIIT session. There's a smarter way, a way that truly activates the female metabolism. And it starts with what you eat. The nutrient your body is begging for to burn fat. You've probably heard of it before, but never realized how powerful it actually is. I'm talking about Ceylon cinnamon. Unlike the common cinnamon found in supermarkets, this one has bioactive compounds that regulate insulin and naturally boost fat burning. For women whose metabolism can shift with hormones, it's like flipping on your inner fat-burning switch, gently, without stress. Studies show that daily use of Ceylon cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, lowers blood sugar spikes, and increases your base metabolic rate. Try adding 1 teaspoon to your breakfast, in your oatmeal, smoothie, or Greek yogurt. It's one of the easiest, most affordable habits for sustainable weight loss. And the best part? No need for diet mode. It fits right into your everyday rhythm. Pair this with other natural thermogenics like ginger or turmeric, and the effect multiplies. And we're not just talking weight loss, we're talking transformation. Once you understand how to speed up your metabolism with the right foods, everything shifts. And now the big question is, how do you actually add this into your daily routine without stress? Three simple morning habits that wake up your metabolism. You don't need to run 5K at sunrise or sip bitter black coffee to activate your metabolism. Small morning rituals can do wonders, especially for the female metabolism. One of the most effective? Warm water with lemon on an empty stomach. It hydrates, supports digestion, and gently signals your body, we're ready to burn. Another trick is the thermogenic shot. Mix water with turmeric, ginger, Ceylon cinnamon, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. It's natural, powerful, and easy to prep the night before. Take it first thing in the morning and feel your energy rise naturally. No caffeine crash needed. This is one of those habits to lose weight that feels empowering instead of exhausting. And finally, gentle movement. No gym needed. A quick 10-minute stretch, a light walk, or even dancing while brushing your teeth counts. These tiny actions tell your body it's safe to burn, not store. If your mornings feel like chaos, this is your chance to turn them into a fat-burning ritual that actually fits your real life. The two biggest mistakes. Slowing down your metabolism. There are two silent killers of your metabolism, and most women make these mistakes thinking they're being healthy. The first one? Skipping meals. It may seem harmless, but it signals your body that there's scarcity. Your system responds by slowing everything down, including fat burning. It's like putting your metabolism into airplane mode. The second mistake is cutting out healthy fats. If you're living on dry chicken, breast and lettuce, listen up. Your body needs fats to produce hormones and keep the metabolism active. Think avocado, olive oil, nuts. These thermogenic foods are key for sustainable weight loss. Cut them out and you get fatigue, cravings, and slower results. It looks like discipline, but it's actually sabotage. These patterns are dangerous when they become your default. And no one talks about them. You can keep trying every diet out there, but if these two habits continue, you'll keep hitting the same wall. What you need is a strategy that works with your biology. And you're not the only one who needs to hear this. How to build a lifestyle that activates your metabolism. No crazy diets. Building a healthy routine doesn't have to be exhausting. The key lies in simple daily choices that naturally boost metabolism, especially for women. Getting quality sleep resets your hormones and cuts down cravings. Eating enough protein at every meal supports your muscles. And muscles burn more energy even when you're resting. No crash diets needed. Movement matters, but not in the way you think. You don't have to hit the gym every day. Walk while on a call, take the stairs, or stretch between tasks. It all adds up. Female metabolism responds beautifully to gentle, consistent activity. Add stress breaks with deep breathing or sip peppermint tea to lower cortisol and reset your system. These are real habits to lose weight without feeling punished. This is about self-respect. When you stop chasing perfection and start building a life that feels good, results show up. Once you truly understand how to boost your metabolism with doable daily steps, sustainable weight loss becomes real and incredibly freeing. And if you're ready to put this into practice, so let me ask you this. How much longer are you going to wait for your body to finally cooperate? How many more times are you going to start over, blaming yourself when the real problem is the plan? Everything you learned here today is simple, doable, and powerful. But knowing isn't enough. You have to act. Start with one thing: cinnamon in your breakfast, or 5 minutes of mindful breathing before your day begins. Which habit are you going to try tomorrow? Tell me in the comments. And if you have questions, I'll personally respond. Your metabolism is ready to change, are you? If this video made you think or feel hopeful again, then do one more thing. Subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, because what's coming next could change your health journey for good.